Showmates, nandito tayo ngayon sa media ko ng Hating Kapatid. This is a new afternoon prime series. Siyempre, pinangungunahan nito ng gusto nating family talaga, artista talaga, Legaspi family, di ba? And we have Mavi Legaspi at...
Ayun. Mga showmates ba?
Yeah.
Showmates, ayun. Ako si Mami Legaspi. My role will be Tyrone. Sa Hating Kapatid, Tyrone. Yun.
Abangan natin siya Monday to Saturday, 2:30 p.m. after it's showtime.
Yes.
Ako na yung nag-promote eh.
That's true. That's true. After showtime, it's our time naman.
Yeah, ang galing nun na host talaga. Ayan. This or that tayo, featuring your shows na ginawa mo. Studio 7 or Sarap, di ba?
Sarap, diba? Sarap, diba?
Yeah. Sarap, di ba? Or Flex?
Sarap, diba?
Sarap, di ba? Or I Left My Heart in Sorsogon?
I left my heart in Sorsogon.
First series mo, yeah, with Heart. I Left My Heart in Sorsogon or 0 kilometers away.
I left my heart pa rin.
Iba rin yung kwento nun eh. Tsaka ang dami nyo dun. Tapos nagta-taping kayo, pandemic.
Yes, pandemic pa. And locked in kami sa Sorsogon talaga.
O yun na nga eh, di ba? I Left My Heart in Sorsogon or Love is Love at First Read.
Siguro, Love is Love at First Read dahil yan yung first lead ko. Yes.
Tama. Which is Love is Love at First Read or PBB Celebrity Collab Edition.
Siyempre, PBB Celebrity Collab Edition. First yun na a show, not teleserye, but a show na nag-collab ang ABS sa GMA. So,
Groundbreaking and you're part of it as sa kapuso, di ba? PBB Celebrity Collab Edition or Hating Kapatid.
Pinoy Big Hating Kapatid.
Yeah, kasi nga, you have another season.
Yes, nasabay-sabay yan sa Hating Kapatid tsaka yung PBB Collab 2.0.
Oh my God. Alam mo, super talaga ako sa PBB Celebrity. And then excited na ako dito ngayon. Ito naman, since I am an SB19 fan and a lot of my followers, what is your thoughts about them?
On SB19? Oh, syempre, very, very talented. I mean, I'm very proud na they get to bring their talents not just dito sa Pilipinas pero around the world. No? And I'm very happy na no matter kung ano man yung narating nila, they are still so grounded. Napaka-humble nila. I mean, every time na nakikita ko sila sa mga award shows or dito sa All Out Sundays, they're so nice. They're so nice. They're also nice. And iba't ibang personality. No? I mean, may iba na very quiet lang, but pag kinausap mo, bait, may mga loud naman. Pero in the end of the day, napaka-humble at bait nila. Yes.
Isa rin sa humble dyan, ikaw.
Ay!
Isa rin, yes, kayong dalawa ni
Bilang
Cash.
manager, bilang manager ng
Diba? Ganun naman talaga pag artist, pag umaangat or tumataas, you have to be humble.
Yes, I mean not all are like that, pero you know, that should be the goal. Kasi you shouldn't forget kung saan ka nanggaling just because nakarating ka na sa goal mo or sa taas. Don't forget where you came from. Diba?
Ito